Dear students, in this module we will discuss cubes and cube roots. So what does cube mean? The cube of a number is the value when multiplied by itself 3 times gives the original number. To cube a number, just multiply a number by itself 3 times. Means 3 cubed, 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. And if we can arrange 27 objects in form of a cube, then that number is a perfect cube. Means 27 is a perfect cube number. Now can you tell 5 is a perfect cube number or not? No, 5 is not a perfect cube because 5 cubes cannot be arranged in form of a cube. So let us discuss some more cubes now. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube 64 and 5 cube 125. Means all these numbers are perfect cubes. Properties of cube of a number. Cube of all even numbers are even. Cube of 4 is 64, which is an even number. Cube of all odd natural numbers are odd. Cube of 3 is 27. 3 and 27 both are odd. Cube of a natural number of the form 3n is multiple of 27. Cube of a natural number of the form 3n plus 1 is also a number of the form 3n plus 1. So these all were about cube of a number. Now let us discuss cube roots. The index of a cube root is always 3 and sign of cube root is as shown in the figure. Now if we want to find out cube root of 27. So first of all, which number is multiplied 3 times to get 27, and that number is 3. So 3 is the cube root. Similarly, 6 is multiplied 3 times, so 6 is the cube root of 216. Taking cube root of a perfect cube will give you the dimension of one edge of the cube. Means cube root of 27 is 3, so 3 is the edge of the cube. Now we will discuss different methods to find cube root of a number. First of all, let us discuss prime factorization method. So, prime factors of 8000 are 6 times 2 and 3 times 5. Now we are to make group of 3 numbers and take out one number from each group. So, take out 1 2 from first group, second 2 from second group and 5 from the third group and multiply that. That will be the cube root of 8000. And that will be 20. And now let us discuss cube root by successive subtraction method. In this method, we are to subtract a sequence. The sequence we can get by substituting values in 1 plus n into n minus 1 into 3. Then keep subtracting the sequence till 0 is obtained. The number of times the number in the sequence were subtracted is the cube root. For example, if we want to find out cube root of 125, then let us start subtracting first number in the sequence, that is 1, then subtract 7, then 19 and so on. And in this way, we are having 5 steps in which we can get cube root of 125. So cube root is 5. And now let us find cube root of 17,576 by estimation method to find cube root. Determine the ones digit of cube root by observing ones of the given number. The ones digit of the given number is 6 here. So the digit at ones place of the cube root is 6. Now strike out the last 3 digits considering the remaining digits. Determine the largest one digit number whose cube is less than or equal to this. This will be the 10th digit of cube root. After striking out 576, there is 17 left. And 17 lies between 8 and 27. 8 is cube of 2 and 27 is cube of 3. So the digit at 10th place is 2. Now cube root of 17,576 is 26.